When I talk about that we emit now 114 million tons of CO2 every single day, that doesn't sound very worrying. But then if you say, well, imagine you take the whole Empire State Building and you fill it with CO2 and you release that in the atmosphere, that sounds pretty scary. Well, actually, that is not one day. You need 63,000 Empire State Buildings to fill that with CO2, release that in the atmosphere, and tomorrow you do the same thing again. If we manage to keep this planet so livable as it has been in the past 10,000 years, that is a huge win for us. We can actually make the world better. If you make a city greener, the city becomes much more livable. And so there's a lot of positive stories in everything related to climate action and environmental action that are often forgotten in the communication.